Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below, to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others. So today I'm going to show you a simple cookie using only 4 ingredients, and we're not going to use any oven or any kind of heats. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. The ingredients that we're going to use today to make these cookies, you're going to need 1 package of muddy biscuits, or you can use any biscuits that you prefer. Then I'm also going to need 2 chocolates, 200 grams, and 1 can of condensed milk. And lastly, we're also going to use some desiccated coconut. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. In a food processor, you're going to take 1 package of Marie biscuit, approximately 100 grams, or you can use any biscuits that you prefer. Then blend them until powdery. Once you're done, you're going to take a large medium bowl, add the blended biscuit, 120 grams of desiccated coconut, and 1 can of condensed milk, which is approximately to 305 milliliter. Using a spatula or clean hands, you're going to mix all the 3 ingredients until nicely combined. So as you have noticed, mixing with hands is quite easy and fast. Mix until you get a dough. Once you get a dough, you're going to divide it into 3 equal portions, approximately 246 grams. Then you're going to take 1 portion of the dough and knead it, then roll it out into a long, thick log like so. Take 1 log at a time, then you're going to cut it into the desiccated coconut until nicely coated. Using a stick like this or a wooden spoon, you're going to make a deep hole from one end to the other, as you can able to see in the video step by step. Then you're going to take your chocolate. I've used the white chocolate, or else you can use the brown chocolate. Break it into pieces and then melt it into the microwave, or you can melt it in a double boiler. Afterwards, using a spoon or a piping bag, you're going to fill the coconut logs with the chocolate, then let them to harden before cutting them down. If you'd like your chocolate to harden fast, place them in the fridge for approximately 10 minutes. And once the chocolate has hardened, you're going to cut them into diagonal shapes or any shapes that you prefer, and your coconut bars will be ready. And our coconut cookies are ready, as you can able to see in the video. Oh my god, they look absolutely delicious, and of course it doesn't take time, and they're super tasty. Hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe, and if you've enjoyed this recipe, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others. And see you next time. Bye bye.